y'all how the packaging looked before I got the hair. Well, before I installed the hair. So basically this is the bag. The bag of course doesn't come with it, like the bag is always separate or whatever. But anyway, so this is the bag. It says Recool hair, but y'all, I'm telling y'all, like whenever I went on Tinashe hair, it had my receipt. So I think Recool and Tinashe hair is the same. Forgive me if they're not, but I really think it's the same. So these are the goodies that I got. I got 2 clips, wig cap. Your girl need her wig caps. I got a comb, y'all. Y'all know how I am about my combs. I'm always losing the comb. And of course, I got the hair. Look how beautiful. I try to come in natural light so y'all can actually see the color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead, as y'all can tell, like it's kind of it's already pre-plugged, but I'm going in and plug just a little bit more, and I'm gonna straighten it. I'm not even gonna bleach the knots or anything because what's the point? I mean, the knots not that bad. They're kind of small, and there's a few little black strands in there, but I think I should be okay. And this is, I believe this is HD. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but I really believe it's HD. If it's not HD, it's transparent for sure. But y'all, stay tuned because your girl about to be a redhead. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Y'all seen the title. Y'all already see what we about to do. Sis, we about to get into some red hair. Like red. Like red. What I'm gonna do first is pluck, because it is pre-plucked, as y'all can tell, but I'm gonna pluck it just a little bit more. It looks plucked pretty good actually, but I'm gonna pre-pluck. I'm just gonna pluck it just like a little bit more because, like I said, I'm in a rush, and we're gonna straighten this hair. And I'm gonna straighten it on my mannequin only because I feel like I can part it, see it better, this, then the third. So we're about to plug this wig, and then we're gonna go ahead and install it. All right, stuff in my eye. Okay. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and tried on. Fuck. Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause.
I have trouble communicating with your skill. Check your device's network connection and power supply.
Alexa don't be listening, y'all. So I went ahead to try on the wig first because y'all remember last wig I was struggling, but this one gonna fit. This one gonna fit, and I still got space in there, so I'm so happy. So let me hurry up and make my I'm gonna pluck my wig first, then I'm gonna come back and make my side part. Let me make my side part first, and let's use the new comb. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I love it. I love my hair. It's a lot of flyaways. That's cool. I had to keep using my wax stick, but I didn't want to use so much because I didn't want my hair to be so greasy. I love my hair, y'all. I really love it. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Sorry for my greasy face. I couldn't find no lotion, so I put some oil on my face. Cause I hate using scented lotions in my face. If it's not cocoa butter, then it's oil. Anyway, so y'all, Your girl is Miss Fire Red. Miss Fire Red. Like, that's my name until I take it off. I really like the hair. Like, I really love the hair. The hair is thick, y'all. Like, y'all know my last wig, it said it was a 200. This and it was giving like 110. No. This hair is thick, y'all. And let me see. This is all the hair. In the front, it seemed like it's thin because it's straightened. But y'all, it's so full. It's so full. Like, it's full, y'all. Like, it's really full. It's like, it's thick. Like, it's not thin. It's thick. It's thick. But y'all, I love this hair. So far, no bleeding. Like, whenever I was rinsing, like, the hair, like, I was spraying to try to pluck some more in the front, and like, it wasn't bleeding on my hand. It was not bleeding. This hair straightened so well. Y'all seen it was a body wave. And then y'all even seen whenever I was spraying the heat protecting, like, the curls, it's gonna come back. So if this hair get wet, the body wave texture definitely is gonna come back. It's soft. It's so shiny. Like, come on, y'all. Look at that. Oh. So far, no tingles. So far, no shedding. I do have a few strings coming out, but I plucked my hair. So I'm going to see, like, as time go by. But I say no shedding. Does not tingle. It does not tangle. I'm sorry. I'm trying to rush. It does not tangle. Like, it's giving. Like, this is really giving. Y'all, let me know what y'all think of the look. I love it. I love it. Miss Fire Red, come through, Miss. Oh, look, I left that lace back here. That is it for this look, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this look. Give me thumbs up, subscribe to your channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in my next video. Deuces.